Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant.
Daily news and updates for the 24th of December 2025. Samsung is ramping up its operations in India, strategically applying for incentives on component production and pursuing an extension of its smartphone manufacturing initiative. Open to local chip sourcing, Samsung's commitment is aimed at establishing India as a tech and manufacturing powerhouse. Global trading firm Jane Street is under intense regulatory scrutiny. India's SEBI is investigating alleged market manipulation, seeking millions in penalties. Simultaneously, Jane Street has begun lobbying in Washington, a significant shift after years of low profile. The firm denies wrongdoing in India and continues to post record profits, expanding its trading operations elsewhere. Despite some major e-commerce giants stepping out, the refurbished smartphone industry in India is gearing up for an impressive year, predicting double-digit growth. The festive season breathed new life into the market, creating a ripple effect as companies venture into laptops and additional electronics. More than 1.5 million taxpayers have revised their income tax returns for the current assessment year. This voluntary compliance initiative has led to over 2.1 million updated returns for previous years. Additional tax collections have exceeded 2,500 crore rupees. The Income Tax Department used data analytics to identify ineligible claims for deductions and exemptions. India's top consulting firms, including EY, Deloitte, PwC, and KPMG, are fiercely competing with tech giants like Accenture and Capgemini, alongside Indian IT players. This intense rivalry stems from a surge in companies adopting AI across their operations, propelling technology consulting revenue for the Big Four to an estimated $2.5 billion in India by FY26. Bajaj Auto's domestic motorcycle business has come under sustained pressure in recent years, with the company steadily ceding market share in its core segments as rivals Hero MotoCorp Limited. Hero MotoCorp Limited and TVS Motor Company Limited. Motor companies strengthen their positions in the increasingly competitive two-wheeler market. Tata Motors is stepping up investments and expanding its electric vehicle portfolio as it looks to retain a dominant 45 to 50% share of the EV passenger vehicle market over the rest of the decade. The automaker on Tuesday said it will invest Rs 16,000 to 18,000 crore in its EV business by FY30 and roll out 5 new electric models by the end of the decade, including premium offerings under the Avinya brand. HCL Software, a subsidiary of HCL Tech, has announced the acquisition of Jaspersoft from Cloud Software Group in an all-cash deal valued at $240 million, around ₹100 crore, to strengthen its data and artificial intelligence software portfolio and expand its embedded analytics capabilities.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.